So it's been a while since I last bought a pair, and I recently visited Commonwealth to get something here. It's a big bag, and aside from sneakers, I also bought a shirt. So let's open up this package. So what do we have here? Set this aside. First things first, I got a shirt. It's a Nike ACG shirt from the recent collection. This one is a loose fit, so instead of getting a size large, I got a size medium. It comes with a black print, which reminds you of either tribal or can be mistaken for camo, and of course you have that iconic ACG logo over there. For those not familiar with ACG, it's short for All Conditions Gear, and it has been part of Nike's collection since the early 90s or late 80s. So aside from the ACG shirt, I also got a pair of sneakers, the Nike Vomero 5 SP. SP is short for Special Projects, so this one is technically part of the Nike Lab collection, hence the special edition black box. It's a slide out one, which is similar to those boxes you see with most Air Jordan 11s. So let's open it up. Just slide it out, and you're greeted with a tissue paper adorned with the old school Nike logo. And as for the sneaker, it's pretty simple. It's in light gray. It's tonal in color, and the only thing that stands out here is the 3M accents. So it's basically a monochrome sneaker. It's very simple, minimalist, and you can use it for everyday wear. As for the uppers, you have mesh, some sort of patent leather, I guess, lots of TPU plastic, and that aerodynamic looking heel cup, which looks better than the recently released ACW collab, wherein it uses the Vomero 5, but it has that unusual piece of block at the back of the shoe, which reminds me of the Puma RS system, or say the Puma RS computer back in the 80s. As you can see here, the Vomero 5 is thick. You see that midsole over there? That midsole comes with two Zoom Air units, one in the heel and the other in the forefoot. What makes this nice compared to other chunky sneakers like the M2K Techno is that it's light. When I was doing research about this sneaker, it's supposed to weigh at around 11.6 ounces. Being a Zoom Air sneaker, aside from the dual Zoom units in the forefoot and the heel, you also have a plastic plate here for support, which is important when you're doing your runs. Speaking of the sole, the Vomero 5 comes with the BRS 1000 outsole, which should ring a bell because this is the same type of outsole that is used for the likes of the Air Max 97 and the Prestos. As you can see here, you have thick grooves over at the outsole, which means theoretically it should last you for a long time, especially if you're into running that much. So I'm guessing a couple hundred miles should be enough for this sneaker. How does it fit? Well, it's for me to check it out. So let's try them out. Speaking of the sizing, the Vomero 5 fits true to size, so in my case, since I'm a size 11, I just got a size 11 for my pair and it fits perfectly on my feet. The Vomero 5, unlike other Nike runners, has a wide opening, so this can be an ideal sneaker for those with wide feet. Speaking of comfort, the Vomero 5 is extremely comfortable thanks to the cushioning accompanying the dual Zoom airbags. So is the Vomero 5 worth copying? For me, honestly, it is a better alternative to the ACW collab since it uses a more conventional design and omits that polarizing block on the heel. For the pricing, well, it's kind of expensive for a running sneaker, but if you're into minimalist monochrome sneakers, this could be a good choice. That's it for now. Until the next one.